Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So sorry for starting late. Joy, are you with me? Please let me know if you're with me, Joy. Okay, I think you're not there. Hello, you're welcome. Please let's also wait for others to join. Joy, you're welcome, please. Okay, Joy, I think we are going to start. We don't have to wait for people. We have tried. This is 4:10. So let me share my screen. Hmm. So this is what we'll work on today. So I think I've shared how to do something like this. So I think I've shared. Okay. I'm also trying to join with my phone so that I can see comments. Okay, I think we have done something like this header, but for repeating sake, we are going to repeat it. So let's go down to our e-commerce and do some little setup on our e-commerce portal, right? So let's log into, do I have any, okay, let me quickly create a new, let me check if I have any sites. Do I have any sites? Yeah, okay. Let me just go back to home and quickly do the setup. So this is what we'll be working on. So what and what do we need to build an e-commerce website, right? So let me quickly install our theme the same way we install theme. I will also use Astra theme. So we'll use Astra theme for this class. I'm so cool with using Astra. So let's activate. The next theme we need Elementor plugins. Let's go to add-in, add new. Let's quickly install different plugin. Elementor. Let me deactivate the other plugin that came with this template. Let me deactivate all this. I don't need them. Bulk. Sorry, deactivate. Apply. So let me delete all so that it won't confuse us. Bulk action, delete, apply. Okay. So the next plugin to add, let's add another plugin, add new. The next plugin, let's add WooCommerce. WooCommerce. Without this plugin, there is no way you can build e-commerce websites. So let's install WooCommerce. This class might last for 2 days, today and tomorrow. So let's just start. So let me add two more. Let's install premium add-ons for Elementor. Then we'll have to install the last one, essential add-ons for Elementor. Essential add-ons for Elementor. So let's now activate. Remember, I've not activated my Elementor builder. Okay, so let's start doing our setup. Let's go down to the um, WooCommerce settings. Just come down to settings. We might do gateway by tomorrow if we have the time. So you can fill in all your details on this part if you want to. Then let's go down to products. So all these are normal shipping. So we'll do this payment integration later. It's called payment gateway, right? We'll work on this payment gateway later on. So I'm going to show you how to use payment gateway for your WooCommerce. So we'll have to sacrifice another time to do that. Abioye, you're welcome. So to start, let's go over to create our pages. Add new page. So I think under this we have home, we have shop, about, blog, and contact us. Thank you. Let's go back. So I'm going to show us some things about you. Kende, you're welcome. So let's go down to our menu to work on our menu. Create your menu by giving it a name. Sorry, you have to activate it to come in as a primary menu. So once you install your WooCommerce, all this you'll see my account, checkout, cart, shop page, and sample page. You will see all this once you set up your WooCommerce. So you can use this shop page or you create a new shop page, which I did. I created a new shop page. So let's just use what we have. I might not use all these other pages, but we still need them for our checkouts, our carts, right? So let me quickly arrange all this. I want shop to come next because the most important thing is the home, followed by the shop. The shop is also very important. Then about us. So let's save our menu. Let me view the site to see what we have done so far. Now this is what we have: home, shop, about, and contacts. So I showed you how to create a customized header and footer yesterday. So let's quickly do that. I'll come down to my plugin, add a new plugin. Since I've taught you that, let me also show you how to create a customized header and footer using Elementor Pro. So let me quickly install Elementor Pro with this. So I'm going to show you how to install a downloaded plugin. Chris Olaoluwa, you're welcome. So once you buy a plugin, you will download it as a zip file. So to install it, you just come down to upload, choose file. And I'm being careful not to use Elementor Pro for this, but let me show you how to use Elementor Pro In case I've showed you how to build your header and footer in the last video. So I will activate it. So we have our Elementor and an Elementor Pro here. So let me quickly build my header and footer with what I just installed. So I'll come down to template, theme builder. So I will choose header. We have header, footer, single post. All the single post is for post page, single page, archive, search result, and all that. So let me go with this. So I don't want to use any template here. Just close it. Let's build from scratch. And I have not activated this container. Let me quickly activate this container. Activate container. I showed you how to activate your container by coming down to flex container, then click on active. So after doing that, you have to click on save. Don't forget that, please. So we have done that. So we have our, let me refresh this so that the container widget will show here. So what do we have? We have the, I don't like this menu. It's somehow close, very close to the icon. I don't like it this way. So let's do something different. So let me insert. Sorry, let me use this. I want to insert about 3 sections because if you look at this, it has the logo one section, it has the how will I put it? It has the menu second section, and it has all this third section. So we might not have this login, so we'll just add the search button and the cat icon, right? Because we are not doing a login and logout stuff. So let me duplicate this, duplicate. So I'll make this the width, let's say 20, 30, let's say 20. This other side, let's say 30. If 30 is too small, I'm going to adjust that. So let me insert my logo, site logo. Remember, I have not added my site logo. So let me insert my site logo. Then the next part is to insert my menu, nav menu. Insert your nav menu, the main menu. So for all this, I want to centralize them. So click here first, then click here to centralize. So for these two, let me click on this and centralize to the middle. Center. Sorry. Yes, center, align items to the center. What do we need? Let me change the nav style. Come down to my color. I don't like using that color. Let me use blue. Then the hover effects, let me use black. Then the pointer, the line, I can use my blue for the line pointer. Then the line pointer, I think the width is too much. 1 is okay. If you don't want anything, just give it 0. The line pointer will go out, right? So the active color, what color do you want for your active? If you don't need anything, just leave it that way. Then let's go down to the normal and set our typography. I love using 16 or 18. Let's say 16. But let's give it 18 and see. Okay. 18 is looking too big. So 16 is better. Sorry, I wanted to update. Then space in between. The space is too much. Now for this, I think I'm going to make this 120. Then if I increase, make that 120, I will also make this 60. So everything will be 100. So let me put my two icons. What icons do we have? We have the search icon and um, the cat icon, right? So let me quickly add that here. Just type your cat. Now, essential add-on. We are using essential add-on for it. You can use menu cards, anyone. Let's use this one, WooCommerce essential add-ons, right? It's showing my cart is empty. You won't be able to see the style. Let's, even though you change style, you won't see the good. Let's just go with style one. It's because I'm logging in as admin. That is why it's showing this format. So I really want to see what I'm doing. I don't like it this way. Let me use this. Okay, I think I prefer this, right? Then card solid. We have different style, card lights, card solid, card basket light. So we have different formats here. Then the item indicator, we have plain, something like this. We have bubble, something like this. So this will show you the amount and also the number. So the alignment, you can align center, you can align to left. So let's go down to the style. We have additional option. Let's see the additional option. There's not much option here to add. So size cards on click, open cards when you click on it, on over you open cards. So it depends on what you want. So all these are just settings. I don't want to waste our time with all the settings. So let's go to the styling. If you know how to read and write, as I've said, you will know how to do all this. So let's make the text color. Then the icon, you can make it your blue color for the icon. Then the background, if you want to put background, fine. If you don't need background for it, there's no need to add background to it. So the size of it, right? So that is just that for that. So the next thing, let's go down to our search. So let's use this search form. Click and drag it in. Now I just want only the icon. Okay, I just want only the icon. So I use the full screen. So let me edit this part to make everything in one line, something like this, right? Now I need to centralize it, um, centralize item. So this border, I want to take out this border, is looking weird. So I remove the padding. So let's come down to my logo. Let me reduce the logo. So once you publish it, you will have to add condition like what we did yesterday. Add condition, entire website. Click on save changes, right? So we have added this to our entire website. So once we refresh, let's see what we have. Now this is what we have here. So we are going to add logo later on. So under this part, let's go back. Let's go back to our dashboard. Now, what do we need to start adding? Okay. Now let's work on our page. Let's make our home page the home page. Let's go down to appearance, customize. A static website, then home page. Let's use this, then publish. Now let's the most important thing under you have to add your products, right? So let's go down to all products and see the numbers of products we have. We don't have any products, right? So let's click on create products. Now add a product. What kind of products do you want to sell, right? Let's say smartwatch. Now you can put the description of your smartwatch here, right? Let me open any e-commerce website that sells smartwatch, so we can use that as sample, right? Um, let's go down to Jumia and see some of their products. Let's search for smartwatch. Now let's use this, right? This is the name. Then the next thing is the product description. This is the product details. system went off. I don't really know what is wrong with it. Still with me? Can you just type you are with me? Please, I'm so sorry for that. If it happens again, that is, we have to postpone this class. Please let me know if you're still there. If you're with me, please. Okay, okay. Thank you, Joy. Thanks for staying. So where did we stop? I think we are trying to download some description from Jumia. So this came up. Just copy and paste all this. The owner of this page, I'm so sorry if we are using your, you can, this is just too long, but you can copy all this if you want to, right? And to locate where we have our product. I think I've started filling in some products. Okay, I think this is admin products. So we'll go back, we'll go and copy the name of the product again. So let's put in the description, then let's copy the name of the products. So what other thing do we need to do? So the price, I'm going to show you how to change this price to Naira now. So we'll do that. So let's just put $300. Then the regular price and the sale price. In case you want to give promo, you can put in your sale price here, right? What other thing do we need to add? Then you can add another short description if you want to under this part. So let's copy the down description, the features and all that from this part here. So the next most important thing to do is to add your picture, add product image, right? So let's get this image. I think we can save image from Jumia. Just right click on save images. Sorry, did I just stop sharing? I'm so sorry. Please, can you still hear me? I think my network is acting funny. Please let me know if you can still hear me, please. Please, can you still hear me? Okay, thanks so much. So I'm trying to download the image from Jumia. So let me add the image. So let's select image. So this is the image we downloaded, open. So set product image. This is the first image I will see once. Um, this is the first product image, just like this. This is the first image. Now we have what we refer to as image gallery. This is image gallery. All these are the image gallery. This. There are so many image gallery, but we won't be able to download everything. So let's just copy. Let's save these ones. Let's save this. Right. So let's go back to under this part. Let's set add image gallery here. So let's select the three of them. So just click add to gallery. So we have them. Then you can add a category here. You can type men research. And if you need to add tag, you can do that here. So once you are done with all this, you publish. Now let me quickly show you how to change the currency from dollar to naira, right? So come down to WooCommerce, go down to settings, settings. Let's go down to currency. So the state, let's set in the state first. Let's type Nigeria. Okay, Nigeria, Lagos, Abuja, depends on where you are coming from. So the currency, under this part, currency, let's type Naira, Nigerian Naira. So once you have done that, all you need to do is to click on Save Changes, right? So it will switch from dollar to Naira. So let's see if we can add in more products. Let's go down to all product and see what we have here. I want to delete this trash. You can also duplicate this, duplicate, then edit. Let's look for men's suits. So let's go with this. Now there's no product gallery in this men's suit. It's just one picture, right? No product gallery. So let's copy. The price is 26. Let's just pick. I don't like when they say 26,125 to. There's no specific price, but I won't get angry with that. Let's just go with what they have. Yeah. So let's put in the. I'm just going to add about 3 images, right? 3 products. Then let's copy the product details. Control C. I don't need this. Control A, delete all this, paste this, and go back, copy this ones. put it under the stats. Now the price, you can see now we have Naira. You can put regular price as 40,000 Naira. Then put your current sales price. It means you are running promo 26,000. Right? Please don't add comma to it. Yes, don't add comma. So let's set our image. Then publish. So let's look for one more product. Babe, please help me on the phone. Help me. So let's duplicate this again. Duplicate. So the next thing, so this one have a product gallery. Save images. So the description, sorry, let's quickly copy that. There's no description, it's just the down description. It's this is China from China. So let's delete this one. So the price is around 40,000. Let's put the regular price for 60. Then we are selling at the rate of 40. Then what else? Let's put in this. So let's set the products upload the pages. So which do you want as the first product set? So let's work on the products, add gallery. You hold down on your control key to highlight more, right? So let's delete some of these ones here. We don't need it. So, and don't forget to add your category. Let's say ladies wear. So publish. So I think I'm fine with all this. So let's start building our pages, right? Pages. Right click, open link in a new tab. So I did with Elementor. Hope we are still following. I'm trying to follow with my phone also. Okay, it's still loading. So let's work with this. Let me zoom in. So if you follow my tutorial, I did something like this, but I might not do exactly this because of our time. So let's just do the normal hero page. So let me add my two column. Let me increase the section, the width. So the let's say 1001. So my background, you can give it any background of your choice, right? You can give it anything you want to. I still leave it at white. So the next thing to add is my test heading. Let me centralize all this. You click here, come down to layouts, then centralize at the middle, right? I can type in number one e-commerce platform. So I want to increase this, let's say 65, and I'll make this um, 35, right? Yes. Or let's make this 40 and make this 60. So you can put in your text editor. So I don't have anything to type. So let me add my button. So the next thing for me to add is my image. I downloaded some image recently. Let me think I have one image folder I use. Okay. Let me just upload this and add a background. Add it as background instead of image. Let me use this as a background. Let's delete this. I think I love that image. Let me set it as a background. Style this. So you have to set it. Repeats, no repeats, display, cover. Mm, position. Wow, I'm not liking this. I don't like this. The cover is kind of small. It's looking too small. Okay, so let's take it out. Let me just include a picture. It's looking too small. I thought it will make sense if I use that. I'm so sorry for that. So let's add our image. I can use one of the picture here as my image because of time. Let me use this. And you can also add multiple images. Let me show you something. Let's put slider. You can use image carousel inside here. So you choose multiple images, right? Let's add different images. Insert. So it's showing like two now. So let's do the settings quickly. Slide to show, just type one, something like this. Then the image size, let's use full image, something like this. So it will be scrolling automatically, right? So this is cool. So you can add link to caption if you want